Hi everyone, welcome to my channel for yarn. In this video I'm going to show you how to crochet a cookie. Pull the yarn around your finger, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. This is called the magic ring. Insert your hook into the magic ring, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. This is called a single crochet. You should make 6 single crochet into magic ring. After 6 single crochet, just tie the yarn and a slip knot. Insert your hook into the first single crochet, yarn over and pull through. And just chain 1, and we should make in each stitch 2 single crochet like this. It's called increase. Next stitch, 2 single crochet into the same stitch. In the end of each row, we should make a slip knot like this. Insert your hook into the first stitch, yarn over and pull through. Row 3, just chain 1, make a single crochet into the same stitch. Next stitch, 2 single crochet into the same stitch. And again, next stitch 1 single crochet, and next stitch 2 single crochet into the same stitch. Row 4, chain 1, make a single crochet into the same stitch. Next stitch 1 single crochet, next stitch 2 single crochet into the same stitch. Next stitch 1 single crochet, next stitch 1 single crochet, next stitch 2 single crochet into the same stitch. Row 4, start with chain 1, make a single crochet into the same stitch. Next stitch a single crochet, next stitch a single crochet, next stitch 2 single crochet into the same stitch. Follow this pattern for this row. Row 6, start with a chain, make a single crochet into the same stitch. Next stitch a single crochet, next stitch 1 single crochet, next stitch 1 single crochet, and next stitch 2 single crochet into the same stitch. Follow this pattern. Row 7, we should make 5 single crochet, and after that 1 increase. We should make 2 part for our cookie, top and bottom. For bottom, we should crochet to row 7, and for top, we should crochet to row 8. Row 8, start with a chain and make in each stitch just 1 single crochet. And just chain 1 and tie the yarn and cut off with your scissors. We should crochet our chocolates like this. Grab your needle and just do it like this. We should connect 2 parts like this. Like this, we working in back loops. Insert your hook into the back loops like this, and just yarn over and pull through 3 loops. Again, insert your hook into the back loops, yarn over and pull through. And crochet to here and fill your work like this. And again, work in back loops and make slip knots till the end. And just in the end, fasten off and hide it with your needle. Don't forget to like this video. For more tutorials, please subscribe and hit the bell. Thanks for watching. See you next time.